The market pulls back to our 4680 target almost to the penny and then traces out a triangle. Now the question is, which way will it break out of the triangle? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. Okay guys, so as expected, the market pulled back to 4680 and then traded in a triangle the rest of the day. Now we must play the waiting game. We have to see if the bulls want to drive it up out of here and start the march towards 4800 sooner rather than later, or if the bears can break the low and get us down into the support zone to present yet another buying opportunity. Now, I'll get into that in just one second, but first, if you're new here, welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard, and this is Invest with Jacob, where we use Elliott Wave Theory to break down the SP 500. I highly encourage you to hit that subscribe button down below so that you can get our daily S&P updates, our trade setups, and our buy alerts. All right, guys, so the market is following our plan to a T. We called the high, and now we've called the pullback towards 4680, and now we're kind of waiting in limbo to see if we can add to our position on a pullback or if the bulls are going to take control. So let's jump into the charts and see how that looks. Okay, guys, so here we are on the 1 hour futures chart, and as you can see, they pulled it down to the 38.2% fib right here, and then traded out a triangle the rest of the day. Now, the reason we were confident in this pullback to the 38.2% fib in this 4680 area is that the A wave of wave 2 here typically targets the 38.2% fib, and then you usually get about a 50% or so retrace back up in B, and then the C wave down to the 50% to 76.4% fib as a support zone. So this box here is our support area, and this is where we would expect them to break down and out of the triangle into this area. I would prefer that that's what they do to give us a stronger structure and get ready for the move up, as there was nothing impulsive out of that bottom at 4680. So I'd prefer they make a new low down into our support area and start the trek up towards 4800 from there. However, they can very well break it to the high side here. So what we need to talk about next is key levels. So as they trade out this triangle, to the upside, if the bulls want to take this up and out of here, they need to break through 4702 on the futures chart. Okay, that's ES. So we're looking for a break of 4702 to the upside, and that would be a potential signal that all of wave 2 is done, and we are starting the march up here toward this wave 3 target around 4775. For the bears, they just need to bring this down and break this 4680 low, and once they break 4680, they should be able to pull it down into the support box, where we can bottom and look to start the rally from there. In the case of a pullback into this box, we will add to our position again, looking for the rally higher. In this structure and where we're at, anything that holds over this 76.4% fib at 46.45 on the futures chart, any dip that holds and bounces should be bought. There's a lot of strength here, and everything points us toward 4800. Now, when I say 4800, I'm using a generalized area. To be more specific, okay, if 4680 was the low and we start this trek higher from here, then we actually target 4840 because of the shallow pullback. The deeper the pullback goes, it pulls down the target a little bit. So if they are able to get it into this C wave box before starting the rally, then we target 4820. So our rally for wave 5 here of 3 should be between 4820 and 4840 when it completes. So really what we're watching tomorrow is the two key levels for breakouts. Okay, so 4702 for the bulls. If they can break it up over that, it's likely we have started wave 3 and should start to look higher at that point. However, if the bears break down below 4680, okay, they should be able to pull this down into the support box and get wave C in place to give us a bigger, more complete wave 2 before we start the rally higher. All right, guys. If you like the information that I put out in these videos and you want real-time market updates from me, you need to get in my Facebook group. There's a link down in the description. Go ahead and click that link and it'll take you over to Facebook. Now, when you get to Facebook, okay, you're going to need to get approved to get into my Facebook group. And the only thing I ask to approve you into the group is that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Come on over to Facebook. I'll get you in the group. All right, once you're in the group, okay, this is very important right here. Once you're in the group, go to this featured tab, okay? Click on the featured button, scroll down, and you'll see our documented trades. Okay, these are all the trades we've had since I've started the channel, so you can see how we're trading. And if you scroll down just a little bit further, you'll see a link to my Slack channel. Now, Slack is just a free chat channel, and I'm on there all day during real-time market hours, giving real-time market updates, all of my buy alerts and my sell alerts, including all of our stops, our targets, everything you would want in a trade. It's an incredibly talented group of traders from the very beginner to the very expert. It's a cool place to learn or improve your trading. So why don't you come on over and let's make some money together. All right, guys. So key takeaways for today. We are looking to see how this triangle plays out. If the bulls want to win, they need to take this up over 47.02 in the futures chart. And once they break that with some velocity, so really we're looking at like 47.10, take out this high. But 47.02 is the level we're looking to break. If they can do that, then we're looking to this wave 3 rally and the start towards 4,800. However, for the bulls to win, they need to break it down below this low at 46.80. If they can do that, it should pull us down into this support box to complete wave 2, and we will look for the journey towards 4,800 from there. All right, guys, that is the market update for today. I will talk to you tomorrow.